Good morning, budgeting friends. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. On this channel, we follow my journey to pay off 6 figures of overall debt. That does include my house. So welcome. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, pull up a seat. Stay a while. Today, we are going to talk about the August 30th paycheck budget. So let's jump in here. It should be fun. Okay, y'all. So let's start talking about this. If you recall, back in July, I got a pay raise, and because I'm salary, you never really know how that's gonna fall until it comes, because taxes and all that stuff adjusts, and I was afraid that my raise would put me into a different tax bracket, and apparently it did. The taxes are a little bit different than they were before, but I had no way to accurately know that until I had a paycheck that did not have overtime on it. And of course, my August 15th paycheck was the first paycheck with the, well, no, it wasn't, my July 30th. So my last two paychecks were on the new pay amount, but they both had overtime on them. So this is my first check that did not have overtime on it, and it was an estimate that I obviously estimated, $12.35. My actual amount of the paycheck was $1,230.18. That's a bummer. So we're not going to have enough to cover what's already here. We do need to go ahead and put the 18 cents toward the buffer. So actually, I'm going to put buffer over here because really that's a savings of sorts. So we've got $5 left, and we've got to figure out where this $5 is coming from. Well, we can't take it out of fixed expenses because those are fixed and they don't change for the most part. So we need that money to be there. All of this stuff has been weeded about as much as I care to weed it. So we're going to leave that alone, which means that this $5 is going to come from one of the sinking funds that I have over here. So we're still in the season where we're going to have to do yard work. And in fact, we've had quite a bit of rain lately. So, and thank God in the last couple of days we've had rain, because there was a heat wave and it was exhausting. The litter robot is a big goal, so I don't want to take anything from it. We've still got to build up birthdays because we've got a lot of birthdays coming soon. Let's look down through here. That's a bill, that's a bill, that's a bill, that's a bill. It looks like it's coming out of the debt snowball, y'all. So we're going to take that and make it 35. And I'm going to time lapse me putting all the numbers in here going forward. Okay, so none of these have changed. It still comes out to be $190. $1230.18 minus $190 is going to give me $1,040.18 as I move into the variable. None of these got adjusted, so this is still going to be $338. $1230.18 minus $338 is $702.18, and then all of this is the same except for the debt snowball went down, so that takes that to 702, and then we added the buffer. So we do have 702.18 over here, which gives us a zero-based budget. At this point, I've got a plan for all of my money. I am so glad that this didn't end up more different than it was, because we've still got money going into the debt snowball, which is a plus. That makes August a good one for the books, y'all. It is a really good month in terms of being able to budget and pay things. So can't wait to see how this turns out. Probably won't see the effects of this payment until the September debt update, but y'all, so excited to get this done. Anyway, so yeah, there you have it. There's a plan for everything. Okay, so now I'm going to take this information, I'm going to put it into the little spreadsheet that I keep in my wallet so that I track the amounts as I go, and it'll tell me how much I need for the cash envelope stuffing. So be sure to join me for that one. It's going to be my next video. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has put the best match for you on the screen, and I will see you all next time. Have a great couple days, everybody. Bye.